रोबोटिक्स साइंस फिक्शन से भरा हुआ है ये आपका सेक्शन। तो पूछेगा कुछ भी बहुत अच्छे से बताना चाहिए। मतलब ये तो अज्यूम कर रहा है आदमी देख के कि इसकी शौक की चीज़ है, ये अज्यूम कर रहा है आदमी, तो उस हिसाब से पूछेगा। तो मतलब ये सवाल तो बिल्कुल इस हिसाब से मैंने एटलीस्ट पूछा कि आप छक्का मारोगे इस पे। तो इसका फॉर इंस्टेंस skeleton has 206 bones surrounded by various amounts of supporting muscle, surrounded by another layer of harder muscles, surrounded by skin that adds to the flexion and this multi-angle orientation of various joints. Some joints can rotate at 180 degrees, others can rotate at lesser angles, but it is a very, very complex machine. And in order to reproduce it in a machine and to have that level of control is a very hard challenge for science and for robotics. But it is also the holy grail of robotics. So when we see robots toppling and falling, it is because they are nowhere close to mimicking the actual biomechanics of a human leg or a human arm. Number one, the number of joints that are inside in the robotic leg is nowhere close to the number of joints and the amount of mobility that the human joint has. Number two, it is not as complex. Number two, it does not have that amount of sophisticated muscles. And number three, most important, a robot does not have a nervous system as complicated as the humans. The brain and the spinal cord in tandem control all motor movements. And as such, the robot and the brain of the robot is not as evolved. Can't process the amount of information. इसका अच्छे आंसर का ये भी होगा कि अगर ह्यूमन ब्रेन प्रोसेसेस so and so amounts of information bits per second just to move an arm. That level of data processing to create an artificial mind is a big challenge for robotics. We're still trying to solve that.